Bonfire Night Safety Tips. Tip 1. If you're making a bonfire, make sure you build it well away from houses, garages, sheds, fences, overhead cables, trees and shrubs, and always away from fireworks.
Can we stop yet, Norman?
Yup, our bonfire will be miles away from danger here.
You found the perfect place. Well done, Norman.
Oh, thank you, Fireman Sam.
Come on, Elvis. Give Norman a hand.
But